Hi, I'm Jerry Gibbs, and today I'd like to introduce you to this range of dehumidifiers from Ecore Pro.
So in this particular application, we've put 3 air vents in, one in this office sitting room and 1 air vent in each bedroom. And they're making sure that that water vapour and condensation cannot come in here and cannot condense on these cold surfaces, which previously had. And that's happening because the air is coming into the room and is moving out to the extraction point, which is in the centre, in the hallway. Now when we install these, we need to balance them, because clearly if one of them is opened really wide and the other ones are closed, then the air favours the path of least resistance and it would go into one room more than the other. And we can verify this for ourselves. If we had an anemometer recording wind speed, we would be able to see the wind speed coming out of the air vent, and we could make sure that we've got them all the same. In the absence of an anemometer, this can be done with a piece of paper. So this is a thin piece of tissue, and what we would have to do is try and look at how much this tissue is moved and compare it with each vent, so that we could try and get the same airflow coming out of each one.